Hello viewers, this is Nafli Nazir. In this video I'm going to show how to create an Instagram account on PC. Before we start this tutorial, please press subscribe button and bell button for get notifications when I upload a video in my channel. Let's start the video. Open your browser and type www.instagram.com. Okay, this is the interface. Click sign up to create a new account. You can also log in with your FB ID, but I don't recommend that. Let's create an own account. Enter here your email ID or valid mobile number. Okay, next enter your full name. This is not your account name. This is a confirmation name, so enter your full name. Next, enter your username. This is your account name. You should type your name in lowercase and don't add space. Okay, next, enter a password. The password must be strong. Okay, add your date of birth. Then, Facebook has sent you a verification code to your mobile or mail ID what you gave in previous tab. Enter that correctly. Account created successfully. You can customize your account here. Add your profile picture here. You can also connect your FB ID with Instagram account. Here see, this is your account settings. You can change your username and passwords here. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, hit like and share this video with your friends. Thank you.